Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, I'm happy that you decided to click on my video because today we're going to do a little refresh in my foyer. Now this isn't a big area here. We have this little bit of wall space right here to put a table. So I have a table that I purchased online that I'll share with you later what I found. It's about 35 inches and I like it to come right before my light switch is here because then my door swings inward, and then we're going to be decorating this wall with some new wall art and also decorating the top of the entryway table. Let me share with you what I have to decorate with. Well, one of the first items we'll use to decorate is going to be this table runner. What a great price. I found this over at Macy's for around $7. I even think they have this in the black buffalo check. This is the tan and white buffalo check. Now this was a little long for my table, but don't worry, if you get something that's not the right length, all you have to do is measure the length that you want, cut the extra fabric off, and then over at Walmart, they make this stuff probably in the sewing department. It's sticky on both sides, so all you do is fold the edge over. You put that tape right underneath there and take a hot iron, iron it. It will stick and make yourself a perfect little edge, and then you have the perfect size table runner for your entryway table. So we're going to be using that. And then over at Hobby Lobby, I got a few things. Now, this isn't new. This is probably from their spring shop, this little watering can. I really like this. It's very rustic, distressed, and this possibly could have been around $19.99 and then 40% off. And then the garden ball that I have, but it has a little base on there. This was a couple dollars. You pop that in there, and I'm going to put that on my table. Now, when you're over at Hobby Lobby, don't ever pay for anything full price because they always run sales, 50% off. Spring shop, they'll run 40% off. And now with the holiday season coming, spring shop's probably like 75% off now. So what a good deal if you can find something over there. Then I also have the little bird. This was a couple dollars from Hobby Lobby. So we're going to be using a couple more items for summer. This gather sign here I'll be using. And I have these two candlestick holders here that I'll be using. This one is priced $15.99. I absolutely love these. They're so rustic looking. And the smaller one's priced $13.99. I found these over at an antique shop over in Lake Alfred, and I absolutely love these. And then to go along with the candlesticks, I picked up these ring holders from Amazon. I think these are called Baby's Grass. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. I got a pair of these, and they're priced around $11 each. And then I'll be using some candles that I have that come on a timer. It comes on with a remote. You can set these for 2, 4, 8 hours, and I absolutely love that because you just hit the button, they turn on, hit it for 2, 4, 8 hours, and then they automatically turn off. And then what I like to use, since I have these candlestick holders, I always take a little K-cup, and I can pop that in right there to add, to give it some height for my candle, like that. And then the last item that I have that came from Kirkland's, which I absolutely love, is this window pane. It's wood with metal. If you can see that, it's quite large. Now this was priced $41.99. It's on sale. And then this wreath, this is the eucalyptus wreath that I purchased for around $40. And what I did was I used a little zip tie to tie this on there. And these pieces are great because when fall comes, guess what? I'll be switching out the wreath for a fall wreath, and I'll use this as a staple piece, which I absolutely love this. Well, before we get started decorating my entryway table, this I purchased online from Amazon for around $200, and I must say the quality of this is not that great. The drawers don't slide very easily, but it was pretty easy putting on the legs. You just had to screw that on. And then the top here, this is not a very nice color here. I don't like it at all. It looks like there's a little gouge mark here. So I might get out my 220 grit sandpaper and sand a couple little spots. Then we're gonna go ahead and use Rust-Oleum from Walmart. This is a wood stain in the color Konya. This is gonna be a real nice dark finish. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna get decorating. absolutely love the way this turned out. Now what I had up here before was a mirror, and I think I was just tired of the mirror because I had it for like 20 years. It matched the table that I had. So just switching it out to this window pane and adding a wreath really transformed the space here and made it look so much nicer. And then I just added some new candle ring holders, which I absolutely love these. And then just adding some dark wood stain to the top of my table really ties in nicely with the black on this metal here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration, and I'll see you in my next video.